Yeah, nagre-record.
I got the 4-horn in the Bighorn Ranch, a 4-horn goat with my monster Matthews, March 16, 2012. Thank you for Chuck for the honor for the Bighorn. So this is my first time to shoot the 4-horn. See there. Got it.
Yeah.